Thank you for stopping to watch my video. I want to teach as many U.S. business owners, U.S. entrepreneurs, U.S. franchise owners, professionals, and also 1099 income earners how you can stop paying federal and state income taxes. I want to teach you Spendthrift Trust is legal. It's in the IRS tax code 643B. So few people have ever learned of this. This is why I do these videos. It comes from England way back when King Henry VIII, that famous king who chopped off his wives' heads to start the Church of England. Oh, what a swell guy. Instead of killing them, I'll just divorce them. He went to go tax the lords and ladies of England, and they went back to the 12th century, the Magna Carta, and said, oh, no, King Henry VIII, you can't do this. It's contract law that came to the colonies while we were still part of England. The law firm I work on behalf of inherited a trust that will turn 365 years old in 2026. Our country is only turning 250 years old on July 4th, 2026. Congratulations. Our current tax structure that we're under went into effect February of 1913. The super rich families of 1913, the Rockefellers, the DuPonts, the Carnegies, and the Kennedys made sure they could save taxes. Well, if they can save taxes, why can't we save taxes? Hi, my name is Sally Gimmon, and I'm known as the tax saving champion. On April 4th of 2020, my CPA called to say congratulations. He actually congratulated me, saying I made so much money in 2019, my tax bracket went from 22% to 24%, and all of a sudden I owed $94,000 in taxes. It's the middle of COVID, I had nothing coming in, and I only had $50,000 saved. His solution was to set an appointment with him, get on a payment plan, pay interest and penalties, and my solution was let me research how the rich save taxes. It took me 5 months, but in September of 2020, I started both my business and my beneficial spendthrift trusts. I also started teaching a mastermind in my Phoenix real estate group how investors could stop paying taxes on profits. The business trust is for anyone making money in 1099 format. W-2 income earners. You get your paychecks with the taxes taken out before you can cash your paycheck. But Google says 35% of W-2 income earners have a side hustle. That side hustle is usually paid in 1099 income. If you're making at least $100,000 a year in 1099 income, I guarantee you will save 5 figures in taxes, no matter if you file single, head of household, married filing separately, or married filing jointly. I don't care if you live in one of the 7 states that don't have state income taxes, like Tennessee, Texas, or Florida. If you want to find out how you could be saving, how much you could be saving in federal and state income taxes, you can set up a free 30-minute tax breakthrough session with me at www.thetrustisyou.com/scheduling. My links are in my profile. Today's example is somebody I spoke to 2 weeks ago and just signed a contract today. He lives in New Mexico. He's an architect, and he's in a 35% tax bracket. Saving for a full year of 2026, he would save $150,000, $978. Now, he's not starting this trust until today, so per quarter, the third quarter, he will save $37,744, and in fourth quarter, he will save $37,744. He can put this money back into his business. He could pay off his mortgage. He could buy a new vehicle. He could take his family on a well-deserved vacation. He has one child in college right now, and a second one who will start college in September. He could give to his favorite charity. He could save for retirement. This money is for both him and his wife to do with what they want. They are going to get a new EIN, employee identification number, and they're going to set up a new bank account. The receivables go into that new bank account, and all their payments come out of that bank account. He had seen a TikTok video just like this one, made an appointment, and wanted to know how much he could be saving. When I told him that he would be saving over $70,000 a year for the rest of 2026, he was so excited. His wife, who was in the background, said, we could do so much with that money. If you want to learn more, please set up a 30-minute tax breakthrough session with me at www.thetrustisyou.com/scheduling. It's legal. It's in the IRS tax code 643B. The law firm I work on behalf of was started 78 years ago by a Harvard law professor. There are over 800,000 clients, and not a single client has ever been audited. Unfortunately, Paul Benson has passed away, but now his grandson and great-grandson run the law firm. If you get questioned by the IRS, the law firm will defend you free of charge. I'll be honest, in 78 years, it's happened one time only. And of course, that trust didn't get audited. It was approved. This is legal. It's in the IRS tax code 643B. Learn the secret of the rich. Stop paying federal and state income taxes legally with the Business Spendthrift Trust. Have a beautiful day, and I hope you have some plans for Labor Day weekend. Take care.